We've been on a tragedy for months.
Guys, welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, go ahead and hit the subscribe button. If you're an oldie, welcome back. And guys, while you both are here, why don't you go ahead and hit that notification bell? That way you don't miss an upload when I upload videos. And while you're at it, at the end of this video, guys, make sure you comment below and tell me some things you want to see, what you liked about the video, what you didn't like, what you want, so that way I can go ahead and provide you guys with the content that you want to see. So let's get right into it, okay? So for this look, one of the makeup artists that I really like and I love to follow is BMarie. And I will provide a link to her channel in the description below. But she recently posted a video doing a similar look using these colors, and so that just inspired me. She is the person that I like to follow because she does cut crease. So she does, like, her cut crease game is like on another level, and I just watch her channel a lot to help me improve my cut crease. So when she posted this look, one, I never really do bright colors, so that was one thing that helped me step out of my comfort zone. Two was it was a cut crease, so that was like, let's get it. You know what I'm saying? Let's get it. You know what I'm saying? Like, let's get it. You know what I'm saying? Nonetheless, I attempted to recreate the look. So this look is definitely inspired by the look that she recently posted. And we just gonna get into it, and y'all gonna see what I went through. Let me just stop rambling because I can't talk. And we're just gonna go ahead and get into the video.